Finding the perfect mini drone can be difficult, with so many features to consider. With features like camera quality, flight stability, and battery life to consider, there are too many options. Are you overwhelmed by the endless choices and unsure which one is right for you? We've done the hard work for you, testing countless models to compile a list of the top 5 best mini drones for beginners. In this video, we'll break down their key features and what you need to consider to choose the best one for you. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. BETAFPV ExpressLRS Cetus. The BETAFPV ExpressLRS Cetus drone is designed for adult users and caters to beginners in the world of drone flying. Weighing just 55 grams, this drone is lightweight and offers a 1080p video capture resolution. The package includes the quadcopter itself, a BT 2.0 battery charger and voltage tester, 2 BT 2.0 450 mAh, 1 S30C batteries, a Phillips screwdriver, a prop removal tool, a Type-C adapter, and 4 GemFan 2024 blade props. Equipped with a brushless motor system, this drone boasts a powerful propulsion system that provides rapid startup and increased speed. The built-in ExpressLRS 2.4 GB receiver is a notable feature, offering a popular radio link with low latency and an extensive control range, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This drone features an M04 VTX and a C04 FPV camera, which could be based on either the Caddx Nano Ant camera or the Runcam Nano 4. These components, along with the two included BT 2.0 450 mAh, 1 S30C batteries, contribute to longer radio and video transmission and extended flight endurance, enhancing the FPV first-person view flight experience for beginners. Its design is characterized by its classical white color and is constructed from PA12 material, known for its impact resistance. The 360 degrees protection offered by the Whoop frame ensures safe flights both indoors and outdoors. Additionally, the FPV camera supports 0 degrees to 40 degrees adjustable angles, allowing pilots to experience different viewing perspectives. In conclusion, the BETAFPV ExpressLRS Cetus drone offers a beginner-friendly lightweight design with advanced features like a powerful propulsion system, durable frame, and adjustable FPV camera for versatile indoor and outdoor flights. Number 4. Ryze Tello. The Ryze Tello is a compact and lightweight drone designed primarily for kids and beginners. With a weight of just 87 grams, it is easy to handle and transport. The drone is equipped with 2 antennas to ensure stable video transmission and a high-capacity battery that provides up to 13 minutes of flight time. This drone features a 5 megapixels camera that captures 2592 by 1936 resolution photos and 720 pixels HD videos. For those new to drone photography, the one-tap Easy Shots feature allows users to easily create professional-level videos to share on social media. The included Tello EDU app supports Scratch, a beginner-friendly programming language, enabling users to command the drone to perform various movements through coding. Powered by a DJI flight controller, the Tello drone can perform impressive tricks both indoors and outdoors. It can be used like an FPV drone with a remote control, making it suitable for racing games and enhancing the overall flying experience. Included in the package are the Ryze Tello aircraft, 4 pairs of propellers, propeller guards, 3 batteries, a micro USB cable, a propeller removal tool, and a battery charging hub. The drone supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, and it is controlled via a remote control. It also supports MP4 video capture format and JPEG image format, with a maximum range of 50 meters. Overall, the Ryze Tello is a user-friendly and versatile drone that offers a range of features suitable for beginners and kids. Its ease of use, combined with the educational programming aspect, makes it a great choice for those looking to explore the world of drones. Number 3. Potensic ATOM. The Potensic ATOM drone is designed for users of all skill levels, offering a variety of advanced features in a lightweight package. Weighing under 249 grams, it bypasses the need for FAA or remote ID registration. This compact drone is easy to carry, thanks to its included storage bag. Equipped with a Sony CMOS sensor, the ATOM drone captures high-quality 4K video at 30 frames per second, 25 frames per second, and 24 frames per second. It also supports 2 7K and 1080p resolutions at various frame rates. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, even in windy conditions up to level 5. The ATOM Fly. More combo includes a parallel charging hub that supports 60 watts quick charging for its 3 intelligent batteries, providing up to 96 minutes of flight time. This set also comes with a 64 gigabytes micro SD card, a remote control, a portable handbag, a camera protector, and cables, micro USB, Type-C, and Lightning. Additional accessories include an elastic strap for the propeller, an adapter, a screwdriver, 8 extra pairs of propellers, and 16 specific screws for propeller blades. Creative features such as visual tracking and quick shots, pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, allow users to capture dynamic and cinematic videos effortlessly. Enhanced GPS capabilities and an auto-return function contribute to safe and steady aerial shots, with the drone able to return to its takeoff point with a single tap on the phone. In conclusion, the Potensic ATOM drone delivers exceptional versatility and performance with its advanced features, lightweight design, and comprehensive accessory package, ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage effortlessly. Number 2, DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a compact and versatile drone designed for adult users, particularly beginners. It comes equipped with several notable features, including the ability to capture 4K HDR video and perform true vertical shooting, making it well suited for social media posts. The drone boasts a 12 megapixels effective still resolution and supports both Wi-Fi and USB connectivity. This drone's lightweight design, under 249 grams, avoids FAA registration for recreational use. It features an intelligent flight battery that can be upgraded for flights up to 51 minutes, although this surpasses the 249-gram limit. The DJI Mini 3 is built to withstand winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, level 5, and features a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It also supports a maximum HD video transmission distance of 10 kilometers, providing clear and uninterrupted visuals. The package includes various components such as the DJI Mini 3, screwdriver, multiple types of RC cables, intelligent flight battery, gimbal protector, etc. The drone offers a range of creative features for capturing advanced shots, including quick shots and panorama modes. It is controlled via a remote that uses Wi-Fi and USB technology, and it supports SD media types for storage. The overall dimensions of the product are 14.3 inches in length, 9.9 inches in width, and 2.8 inches in height, with a total weight of 1.4 pounds. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 is an excellent choice for beginners, offering high-quality 4K video, ease of use, and a lightweight design that avoids FAA registration, making it perfect for recreational use. Number 1, Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. The Autel Evo Nano Plus is a compact and feature-rich drone suitable for adults, whether they are beginners or at an intermediate skill level. Weighing only 249 grams, this lightweight drone is easy to carry and can be flown in more places compared to drones that exceed the 250 grams weight limit. The foldable design further enhances its portability, making it convenient to fit in a backpack or a dedicated case. The Evo Nano Plus is equipped with a 1.28-inch 0.8-inch camera that captures impressive 4K footage and 48 megapixel stills. Its RYYB color filter array is designed to improve image quality in low-light conditions. The drone also features a 90 degrees adjustable 4K HDR camera with a 16 times digital zoom, allowing for versatile shooting angles and capturing detailed Ultra HD images. Safety is a key aspect of this drone, which includes a 3-way obstacle avoidance system with sensors on the front, rear, and bottom, as well as an ultrasonic sensor for precise hovering. This makes it a suitable choice for new drone pilots seeking a safe flying experience. The drone features HDR mode and a dual autofocus system, PDAF plus CDAF, for detailed captures in challenging lighting. With a 28-minute flight time, you can thoroughly explore and document your surroundings. The premium bundle includes the drone, 5 pairs of propellers, 3 flight batteries, a charging hub, a remote controller, and a shoulder bag. Overall, the Autel Evo Nano Plus is a well-rounded drone that offers high-quality imaging capabilities, safety features, and portability, making it an excellent choice for both beginner and intermediate drone enthusiasts. In conclusion, each drone reviewed here offers unique features tailored to different skill levels and preferences. From the lightweight and beginner-friendly BETAFPV ExpressLRS Cetus with its robust propulsion system, to the educational and versatile Ryze Tech Tello perfect for kids, and the feature-rich Potensic ATOM with its advanced camera and accessory package, the DJI Mini 3 impresses with its high-quality video capabilities and lightweight design, while the Autel Evo Nano Plus stands out with its 4K HDR camera and comprehensive safety features. Whether you're a novice exploring drone flying or an enthusiast seeking professional-grade footage, there's a drone on this list to match your needs.